While there is no specific miracle food that can cure autoimmune diseases, some foods have been associated with potential benefits for people with autoimmune conditions. It's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have an autoimmune disease, always consult your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. Here are 8 foods that have been studied for their potential calming effects on autoimmune diseases. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation associated with autoimmune conditions. 2. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. 2. Studies suggest that it may help alleviate inflammation in autoimmune diseases. 3. Ginger. Ginger contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may be beneficial for individuals with autoimmune conditions. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients and antioxidants, which can help support overall health and potentially ease inflammation. 5. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that can help neutralize free radicals and may have anti-inflammatory effects. 6. Probiotic-rich foods. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut contain probiotics, which can support gut health. 6. A healthy gut can play a role in modulating the immune system and may be relevant for autoimmune conditions. 7. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that have been associated with anti-inflammatory effects, which may help individuals with autoimmune diseases. 8. Green tea. Green tea is a source of polyphenols, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that might be beneficial for those with autoimmune conditions. It's important to remember that while these foods may have potential benefits, they are not a substitute for medical treatment or medication. Managing autoimmune diseases requires a comprehensive approach, which includes working with healthcare professionals, taking prescribed medications, and making lifestyle changes, including adopting a balanced and nutritious diet.